Hi guys! Welcome to our property tour here in Panglao Oasis located at Levi Mariano, Taguig City. Here in my left side, this will be the gate, exit and entrance. So, ito naman yung clubhouse natin here in my right side. Okay, we have function hall here. Here is the swimming pool. Isa to sa magandang amenities ng Panglao. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang pool. So, ito siya. Yan. Napakaganda ng pool area. Sobrang spacious. Tsaka, meron siyang Panglao vibe talaga in Bohol. So, para siyang nasa beach. Okay? So, we go upstairs. Kasi ito yung clubhouse. We also have a function room upstairs. Tara! We also have a lounge area here. So, meron sa baba, meron din sa taas niya. So, this is the function hall. So, ito yung function hall dito sa taas. Okay, here is the fitness gym. Okay. Spacious, sobrang spacious. And, makikita mo din yung pool from here, di ba? So, habang nag-exercise ka, makikita mo yung pool. Here. Yan. Sobrang ganda, actually. And then, so, sobrang spacious ng fitness gym. Okay? So, let's close the door. Okay? In this side, there is a lounge area here. Lounge area there. And the view of the pool, again. Napakaganda talaga niya. Ayan. Okay? So next is pupunta na tayo sa mga units natin sa residential buildings. Okay? So this is the building. This is the residential units. So, lapit lang siya sa gate, actually. From clubhouse, tapos ito yung building. So, this is a mid-rise condo unit. So, ito siya. Okay, pupunta na tayo sa actual unit. This one. Okay. Yan. This is a 36 square meters. So, ito siya. So, as you can see, as you enter, makikita na natin yung kitchen. So, there is a hanging modular cabinet here. So, upon turnover, ganito na siya. So, a granite finish. Okay. So, yan. This is a 2-bedroom unit. So, ito yung unang bedroom, the bedroom 1. Okay. Dito is, gagamit tayo dito ng split type na aircon. Yan. This is the second bedroom. Ito, meron ng nakaabang for the window type aircon. Okay, meron din siyang access through balcony. Yan. So, ito yung balcony. Yan. So, this will be the living room or the dining area, living room. So, may access din siya sa balcony. So, here. So, may balcony siya. So, pwede kang dumaan dito papunta sa kabilang room. So, may nakaabang na rin siya na aircon. The window type. Tapos, this is the CR or the bathroom, powder room. So, ito siya. Naka-tiles na siya lahat. So, ito na yung magiging turnover niya. So, kompleto siya with the sink, with the toilet bowl. Naka-tiles na siya with shower heads. Dito na lahat. So, yan. For increase in site viewing, check the details below.